everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our previous session, we discussed that what are the inbuilt modules we have in our Python, and we use some of them as well. Today, we will be talking about creation of modules, how these modules can be created. So far we have learned how to use the inbuilt modules, but now today we will be talking about the creation of the modules, that how a module can be created.
Before that, if you want to become a successful data analyst and if you want to learn from our experts live, then you can call on the given number or you can fill the form that is provided in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free.
So guys, to create a module, there is a very simple method that we have to create a file with the extension of .py. Inside the file, we can add the functions that we want our module to perform, and lastly, we can import it in our program and use it, like how we have used in our previous session. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand briefly that how a creation of a module can be done. So guys, I'm taking an example over here that first of all, we will have 2 files. One is the .py file. Let's say it's called as demo.py, which will have our module, and our main file, main.py, right? These are the 2 files. This file will be our module basically, and we will be importing it over here. So to import it, we will be writing import demo. Right. Now inside the demo file, whatever function we want our demo file to perform, we can write it over there. For example, if I want it to perform only a simple addition of 2 numbers, so all I need to do is write a function, the definition add. I'll be taking 2 parameters over here, x and y. Inside it, I'll be adding it. So let's say I'll be writing print x plus y, right? I will be not calling this function over here. I will be using it inside my program. So that's why what I will be doing, I'll be creating any variable, let's say in our main file. When we want to use this function over here, all I need to do is create a variable a. So a is equals to the name of our file, that is demo, dot the name of our function, that is add, and the 2 values that we have passed as an argument. So let's say I'll be taking 3, 4. So guys, when I print a, it should provide me with the output 7. Let's use it in our Python program. Let's see if this thing works or not. So, but this method should be clear that first thing that we write over there is the name of our file. Second thing that we write over here should be the name of our function or anything that we have created inside it. Now, it is not limited to function only. You can write lists also, you can write dictionaries also. Whatever data type you want to add over there, you can use it over there, and then you can call for it from here. And by passing if you have used the parameters over here, you can pass the values over here. If you have not used it, you can directly use the open close parentheses, and it will work simply like that. Right, so let's shift to Python and have a look on how it can be done. So guys, I already have my main file over here. For creating a module, I'll be needing one .py file, one file with the extension of .py. For that, I will be right clicking over here, click on new. After that, I'll be choosing Python file and I'll be writing its name as demo.py. Once I click on enter, I get a demo.py file over here. Inside it, this is the module we are creating. So inside it, I'll be writing my function. So definition, and I'm taking 2 parameters over here, x, y. So x, y, and if I put a colon in the end and write print x plus y, I'm not calling the function over here. What I'll do, I'll go back to my main file. When I go back to main, if I want to call my module over here, all I need to do is write import, and the name of my module is demo. So import demo. After importing demo, I'll be creating a variable, let's say a. A is equals to the name of my file, first of all, demo, dot, next thing would be the name of my function. So here if we go, we know that the name of our function is add. So we'll be coming back over here, dot, add, and inside the brackets, we will be providing with the values. So I'll be providing with the same values, 3 and 4. And if I print a, it should give me the output 7, and yes, it is working. It's giving me the output 7 over here. So guys, this is how our modules work. This is how we can create a module. Now inside a module, inside one module, you can create multiple functions as well. So if I go to demo.py and if I create it for subtract, that definition, subtract, and I'll be taking another 2 parameters over here, x, y, and print x minus y. If I come back to my main.file, if I create another variable b is equal to name of my file is demo dot and name of my next function is subtract. So I'll be writing subtract over here and providing with the two values. Let's say 9 comma 3. So 9 minus 3 would be 6. And if I print b over here and run the program, it gives me the output 6 over here. Guys, this is how it works. And now, as I said that inside it you can use list, you can use dictionaries. I'll give you one example of a dictionary also. So let's say I'm creating one dictionary, employee. Employee is equals to, inside it I'm creating the name, age and the gender of that person. So I'll be writing name, let's say John, comma, age 23, comma, gender male. So guys, to access any particular element over here, what I will be doing, I'll be creating another variable c is equals to name of my file demo dot the name of my dictionary over here. So the name of my dictionary is employee. We're writing employee, and over here inside the squared bracket, to access a particular element I'll be using a squared bracket, and inside it I'll be writing age. If I print C over here, it should provide me with 23. Let's see. Yes, it provides me with 23. So this is how it works. In here, if I write name, it provides me with the John over here. So this is how you can create a module, import it and use a small parts of it, sub parts of it as well. So inside a module, it's not limited to any data type. You can use functions, you can use lists, you can use dictionaries, and you can use it in your program as per your convenience. So guys, this is how a module can be created. I hope you have no doubts and no questions. In our next session, we will be solving problems related to the module. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.